I thought now was probably a good time to sort of let the cat out of the bag. And there's a very big cat that needs letting out of the bag. So this, as you know, is the accident damage van that we were going to fix, couldn't fix. Too damaged. There's the towing eye, which should be about here. It's bent underneath. And then this van became a parts van. Hence why it is completely stripped and panels are taken off, and which is a shame because it's actually a solid van. Isn't it, Di?
This van will save a couple of different vans, so.
And this van is also donating PopTops. And that is going on my van. We have actually hinted at this a few times. And yeah, the time is now. Because as you can see, the van is not massively far away from being completely done. I'm going to be a pop top. Obviously, for that to happen, we have to remove said pop top, which is the easy part. The hard part is going to be drilling a massive hole in the roof of my van. We have got a few cameras set up, try and get something, hopefully, that you guys can see. Right, I'm going to stop rambling, go wash my hands, and then start removing big yellow things. Well, here's a little bit of a voiceover of what's happening. So all we're doing now is just going across, taking all the screws out that are holding the canvas down and the metal brackets that go all the way around that secure the canvas onto the actual van. And as you'll see now, we actually just taken off the hinges so that we can actually remove the roof itself. And I was very surprised how heavy this roof actually was, but yeah, didn't take too long and the roof was off. This was definitely the easy part. Well, I really do hope that that all recorded, because we tried to put cameras where we could to record as best as we could. But John's just off doing a recovery. So me and I were... yeah. We were trying to do our best. But there we go, ignore that, that's just my camera bag. But there's my roof. Now, we've got to do that on my van. Yeehaw. This should be good fun, having to cut a big old hole in my van. Also, take the roof rack off and whatnot. And there's all the sides, and it does come with lights as well. There's all the sides and that's the, well, the bed bit. Yeah. So that's now a thing. Now we just need to cut all of this. We have took measurements, but we've got to cut all of that out of my van and then do the complete opposite of what you've just seen. Not tonight, obviously. Right, see you when it's light outside. Hello, Mr. John. So if you can remember in the last video, we were removing something, and that is going on here. So you've probably seen by the title of the video, but safari roof off, pop top on. That's the plan anyway. So this will probably be quite a lot of time-lapse stuff, because it's probably going to be difficult to try and film a lot of this. But I do need to remove all this first. It's only held in with a few screws here and there. So take all this roof lining down. And then think about removing the roof rack. So that's what I'm going to set to. Might see if I can put a time lapse somewhere. Bit daunting, isn't it? Kind of big dirty hole in your roof, but it'll be worth it. Won't it, Yoni? Yeah. Happy days. Right, set up a little camera somewhere and you guys can have a little time lapse of this lot coming apart. I will start off by saying I am sorry I didn't manage to get any more in-depth footage of this. We were just sort of cracking on, just set up a few time lapses and away we went. So I am sorry I didn't get any in-depth, but as you can see, just removing the roof rack and getting access to the actual roof, and then having at it with big scary cutty tools and making a big scary hole in my roof. It it, it was a bit scary. There's a few points I kind of thought, what am I doing? But I knew it would be worth it in the end. It's just a bit scary cutting your roof off, that's all.
Tomorrow.
And yeah, there was a few holes across my roof where obviously my roof rack was on, so I just welded them up. And as you can see, there's quite a few people. Luckily, a few people popped in to see us, and we used their arms to help test fit this roof. We did have to put the roof on and off a few times, sort of test fit, lift it up a little bit, put the struts in, and put the brackets on the back. It was a lot of up and down, and then pull the canvas down and pin it the whole way across. And at these angles, there's not really a lot you can see, unfortunately. So again, I am sorry that I didn't get any more footage, but yeah, this is it's amazing. I really impressed with how this has come out, and also did get the opportunity to do a barn door to tailgate conversion, which again has completely transformed this van. It is a few different colors at the minute, but once the nice weather comes back next year, we'll have a go at giving this thing a nice lick of paint and one color again. Anyway, I've had you long enough. Like I said, I am sorry that I didn't manage to get any more footage, but as you can see, we was a tad bit busy. Anyway, we're going to get ourselves gone. If you like the video, please give us a great big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. But as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumb ass. And as always, take it easy.